Welcome back to American Wing Chun. I am Sifu Matt. Today is day 5 of our Wooden Dummy Exercises for Beginners series. Today's technique is a little bit more sticky using some Chi-Sau skills here. So we're going to learn how to go from Fook-Sau to Tan-Sau and back and forth using the Huen-Sau technique, the circling hand. And we have a Noi Huen-Sau, which is inside Huen-Sau, and we have an Oi Huen-Sau, which is outside. Noi starts with an N, so you can remember it's inside. Noi is N-O-I, Noi Huen-Sau. And then Oi, O-I, is just outside, begins with an O. So it goes to the out position and circles down and around and in. So starting from a Fook-Sau position on the arm, you're going to open the hand up, kind of keeping some pressure with the dummy, forward kind of to the center of the trunk. And as I open the hand and maintain that pressure, I let my hand go palm down, and I want to stick on his arm and not lose contact, and I want to slide to Tan-Sau. And when I'm in Tan-Sau, I want my arm from my fingertips, down my hand, down my wrist, down my forearm to the tip of my elbow. I want that line to be perpendicular to these bars on my dummy. You might not have bars on yours, but that space, that wall, I want the Tan-Sau to be perpendicular to it. If it's off to the side, this will get you hit. You want to be this way. So from the Tan-Sau position, I bend my hand back, and this looks just like the form where we do the Huen-Sau and do the Wu-Sau sequence here. So I do a Noi Huen-Sau. I bring my hand back, rotate that down, and slide that contact underneath, but without ever losing contact. I circle that around and open the hand back up as I slide up, and then I bring my hand into Fook-Sau. From Fook-Sau, I open my hand back up, and I let it roll down and around in this way. And I bring my elbow in as I do that. This rolls out, and this rolls in. And it's a very simple technique, but it takes some practice to maintain stick here underneath the dummy, and then to wrap back around. Tomorrow's technique we'll use this kind of circular motion to facilitate another thing that we're going to do. And the day after that, we're going to go over the top of this thing. But for now, we're going underneath. And of course, you can do both sides. So Huen-Sau that around to Tan, and then around to Fook, and to Tan, and to Fook. You can do both at the same time. That might take a little bit more coordination. And just don't get your hands in the way of each other. But make sure that these are perpendicular to your shoulders with the Tan-Saus. And circles down and around. And you can just have one hand in Fook-Sau, the other hand maintains that kind of contact all the way around. Same thing on the other side. Always trying to get your Fook-Sau to catch on top. You want your wrist to be above the arm when you're in Fook-Sau. Don't have it down here cupping it with your hand. It wants to be all the way at the top. The bone in the hand for the pinky side should be on top of the arm when you're in the Fook-Sau position. Then it goes down and around and in, down and around, and it's on top. There's kind of a squeezing effect with your hand and your forearm on the arm when you're in Fook-Sau. There's some stickiness to this. It's like a snake going around a tree branch. Just having that go one after the other, or just one at a time. So that is technique number 5, being able to use a Huen-Sau to flow in and out and around the arm.